Cleanup.pictures is an online service that helps users clean up and enhance their images. Here's a brief guide on how to use the website. Go to Cleanup.picture in your web browser. Click on the Upload Image button to select the image you want to edit. You can also drag and drop your image onto the upload area. Once your image is uploaded, you can choose from a variety of tools to enhance it. Yes, you can use the retouch tool in Cleanup.pictures to remove unwanted objects from your images. This tool allows you to select a specific area of your image and replace it with surrounding pixels to create a seamless look. Upload your image to Cleanup.pictures. Click on the retouch tool. Use the brush size slider to adjust the size of your brush. Click and drag over the object you want to remove. The area will be replaced with surrounding pixels from your image. Repeat this process until you've removed all the unwanted objects from your image.